Here's my confession. I didn't like Vietnamese dẻ as a kid, but whenever Auntie Lê would bring her dẻ rau trắng to a party, I would get excited. Today I'll be showing you a recipe that I learned from Mum's closest friend, an auntie who's also known for her desserts.
Mama Ye Sek Fan, Mami Daddy Sek Fan, Ba Mẹ ăn cơm.
Hi, I'm Jeanette, and here at Wok and Kin, I share my childhood recipes so you can reconnect with yours. Today's recipe is warm and comforting, like the hug you really needed after a long day at work. To start, put 1 cup of black-eyed peas and 1 teaspoon of baking powder in a bowl and soak them in 1 litre of water for 3 hours. After the 3 hours, rinse the peas in cold water and discard any loose shells. Also include the ones starting to come off the peas. Then fill up a pot of water, bring it to a boil and pour the peas in to cook for 20 minutes or until just cooked. The centre should be soft while the exterior still intact. Drain them of the water and set them aside for later. Cut 4 pandan leaves into 2 cm segments straight into a blender. We get our pandan leaves from Asian fruit markets. A full list of these ingredients can be found at wokandkin.com, where we share step-by-step instructions so you can cook this recipe at your own pace. Pour 1/4 cup of water into the blender and blitz it for 1 minute. Transfer the pandan mixture into a clean cloth and squeeze the juice out into a bowl. Then wash 1/3 cup of glutinous rice and drain the liquid. Bring 650 ml of water to a boil and add the rice grains into the pot along with 1 teaspoon of sago. Next, pour the pandan juice in. Bring everything to a boil for 10 minutes or until the grains have just started to expand. Meanwhile, combine 1 tablespoon of water and 1 tablespoon of potato starch in a bowl and stir them until they become a slurry. Then immediately pour in the cooked peas into the pot and add the starch slurry in. Keep mixing as you add the slurry to avoid clumping. Put 80 grams of rock sugar in along with 1/2 teaspoon of salt while stirring gently to let them completely dissolve. Now simmer everything on low heat for 10 minutes or until it reaches your preferred consistency. To make the coconut cream sauce, pour 500 milliliters of coconut cream into a small pot and add 2 pandan leaves tied into a knot. Season everything with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Bring the pot to a boil, then turn off to cool completely. You can't have dẻ rau trắng without the cream. As soon as I drizzle the coconut cream on top of the sticky rice, it turns into a creamy combo that I crave over and over again. And there you have it, Auntie Lê's sticky rice pudding with black-eyed peas. To make this dish a party-worthy dessert, here are our tips for the best results. Number 1, avoid overstirring. This will break the peas and turn it mushy. Number 2, keep your eyes on the stove. The peas and rice can become overcooked very easily. Number 3, smash the rock sugar before adding it in. This will help it dissolve much faster. Now that I'm an adult, I can confidently say that I love dẻ, but only when it's served warm like a hug, like Auntie Lê's dẻ rau trắng. If this is the type of dessert you enjoy, like and subscribe to our channel. To find more dishes to satisfy your sweet tooth, I've created a playlist of childhood desserts just for you. See you in the next video.